What are the interactions like? What are the knobs that we need to expose for people to be able to use this technology creatively? How can we build these interfaces? How do you talk with an AI to create an image? Hello, my name is Victor, and I'm co-founder and CEO at Krea.
Hi, my name is Diego. I'm co-founder and CTO at Krea.
We create tools for creative people that want to use AI to generate from images to videos and also some other things like enhancing images or videos, for example. I realized that artists are not the best at coding, but they are the ones who have the best ideas, and it was a shame that they didn't have access to this technology to be able to do cool stuff. And at that moment, I kind of switched from like doing a lot of deep research and like really coding myself all of these things to try to explore more what are the interactions like, what are the knobs that we need to expose for people to be able to use this technology creatively. How can we build these interfaces? How do you talk with an AI to create an image? What you can do with this tool is to generate images in real time through two things. First of all, an input image, and then also a prompt. In this case, a prompt is an orange koi fish with organic shapes made out of glitter. With the screen on the left side, I can control the composition. So essentially, I can control where the fish is and how the fish looks. In this case, I have the orange color, and I can also make it have a tail. So, like with very simple shapes, I can have like a lot of control of the composition of the image. I'm gonna draw two white circles in here, and I'm gonna say koi fish with white eyes. And as you can see, it's kind of getting the composition from the original, from these shapes. And with this slider, I can also let the AI know how creative it can be. If I turn it all up, it's gonna be super creative, and it's gonna kind of dismiss, for example, the exact position where I want the eyes to be. In this case, it still got it. But if you turn it down, it takes way more into account this original drawing. AI in the end is like a new creative medium. A lot of people are using it for the first time, and we want them to have like an experience where the AI does what you expect to do, and you don't need to learn about like crazy prompt engineering and like all these tweaks that people have to do in order to get good results out of it. And on the other side is controllability, because we are dealing with creatives. We are dealing with folks who are not just okay with having a beautiful image. They want that beautiful image. So in this case, I have an orange koi fish with organic shapes made out of glitter. In this case, I don't see too many organic shapes. So for that, I generated previously another image that it has like all these shapes that I was expecting for the fish to have. So through this image, I can just like add it in here, and I can put the strength up so you can see how the fish, it's getting a lot of that image. And if I turn it all the way up, it even like forgets that I wanted a fish, and it kind of turns the fish into a flower. But if I find the right spot, I can get a lot of these super interesting shapes that I was having in mind beforehand. Then we had like the first kind of virality moment that we were seeing like all of these images on Twitter with the spirals, right? And we were like, well, what's going on with these spirals? Like, we can do it. Like, this is like a 1 day of work. I remember at that point, Diego was like, we should do something with this. We should do something with this. And we did it like in 1 or 2 days. We just built an interface and we shipped it in Twitter, and it got viral.
It was actually hard in the sense of, as a founder, you're like, I've put multi amounts of years into like many things, and then the thing that we literally are like, it's like not important, gives you all the success.
There's a lot of value on simplifying super niche and simple use cases. And I think that at that moment, we already started to position Krea in a way that we are able to ship simple products with a great interface extremely fast for all the new technologies that are available for us to use. You need to build an MVP, or you need to do something, like even if it's a demo, to validate this thing with the community. And that's where you find truth. What we're doing is building community and bringing to the community what they want now, and like just like focusing on what can we do now with the technology that is out there. So the way how we're working is almost like a video game company, where instead of video games we are building tools, and every 6 months or so there's a new tool, because the space just happened to evolve in a way that every 6 months there's a new technology that, or a new add-on to a certain existing technology that you can use in order to make a new tool.
I'm really optimistic. What I think is happening is, we're just giving so much power to creatives that things that were like a job in a way, like now you don't even think about them, that they're not even the important thing anymore. Like you will save so much time like of your life because of not having to do that. You can focus on having even better and crazier ideas. So I'm really excited to see what the creatives are going to be able to do. And I just want for Krea to be at least a part of it. If wishing is free, then ideally like a combination of Adobe, Autodesk and Apple, like the three of them together with a little bit of Pixar sprinkled on.